productivity tips to help you do more work in less time. All of these tips and strategies will hopefully show you that you can be highly effective as an internet marketer in a fraction of the time that it would take to handle similar marketing offline. The web is a powerful equalizer and a great force multiplier. It allows individuals to have all the impact of huge corporations. But while these systems are quick and powerful, you also need to think about how you can optimize and streamline your approach to them. How can you become faster so that you can get more done in less time? There are plenty of answers to this, but largely, it will once again come down to leveraging the power of the internet and using the tools and resources that it presents you with. For example, one thing that you should never underrate is the power of outsourcing to other service providers. If you can get someone else to complete a task for you, then that frees you up time to work on other more important things. Don't be shy to do that. Need to edit the cover of a PLR product? Write blog content? Build a list of potential influencers to contact? Then consider hiring a freelancer through a site like Upwork, Upwork.com, or consider using a virtual assistant who will do nearly any online job for just a few dollars per hour. If you can do this, then you can get a lot of your systems to work for you. Heck, you can even go one step further and use service arbitrage. This means you're going to offer your services as a writer or a web designer for $30 per hour, and then outsource the work to a white label service that will do it for $20 an hour. You just pocket the $10. You can also streamline your workflow by making rules that you follow yourself. This might mean keeping communication overhead to a minimum by not engaging in Skype calls or online meetings. Or it might mean simply finding ways to be more disciplined in the way you approach work. Setting yourself short blocks of time to work in can help, as can using things like the Pomodoro technique. Then there are tools like Asana.com, that can help with time management, and things like IFTTT.com, that can run your social media for you. Leverage these tools as much as possible to take all the things you're doing every day and to get technology and other people to handle them for you. This is how the busy business person should approach internet marketing, and you'll discover a lot more tips in this in the free resources that came with this training. To this day, it amazes me that more people aren't aware of the huge potential that the internet represents when it comes to earning money. If you know how to use a computer, then you could be earning money online. Actually, there is no limit to what you can accomplish using internet business, and it's something that everyone should be involved in. But making a name for your brand online is not an easy task. It's crucial that you understand how to properly make use of the most effective techniques in order to do so. That all sounds great, but I don't have the time or the knowledge. You probably don't know enough about the web or how it operates in order to see the precise opportunities that are there for you. And the other issue is time. You'd love to learn all this stuff, but do you really have the time? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you'll be able to do things like discover everything that you need to know to start running a massively successful business in your spare time. Learn how the web works, how people make their money, and how you can get in on the action. Focus on the fastest and most effective ways to start making money online. Discover business models that you can easily implement in a matter of hours or even less. Discover how you can create businesses that run themselves so that you don't have to. Start making thousands of dollars each month from a business that will take you less than a few hours to set up. And the list goes on and on. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Internet Marketing for Business People. How to save time, work faster, and build a digital empire around a busy work schedule. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert at saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule. And you get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What makes the internet go around? The economy of the web. The role of the internet marketer. Start earning money almost immediately with this incredibly simple business model. PLR products. PLR products, the fastest way imaginable to start making reliable income online. Affiliate marketing, and other super fast business models you can create in your spare time. What is affiliate marketing? How affiliate marketing works. Other great online business models you can set up in no time. How to choose things that will sell and make money quickly. Finding a route to market. Picking your niche. Merging niches. choosing products with a value proposition, how to use Facebook ads and Google AdSense for quick profit, an introduction to Facebook ads and how to do it right, an introduction to Google AdWords, how to quickly profit from a big blog using the best growth hacks, why you should always sell and never display ads, building trust and offering value, growth hacks for quickly growing your audience, your super fast guide to SEO, conclusion, and productivity tips to help you do more work in less time, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually save time, work faster, and build the digital empire around a busy work schedule. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. This is really for anyone who wants to learn more about internet marketing and how to make money from the web, but who doesn't have the time to invest countless hours into growing an online business or managing a blog. If you think you could benefit from earning several $100s minimum for a few hours work a month, then this is for you. This is particularly aimed at the business professional. If you're someone who runs a business or is currently working to near breaking point by your existing employer, then you're going to find that this uses a lot of concepts and strategies you're familiar with, but in a new way. This will help you to understand how to use internet marketing in the workplace or how to use it to escape the rat race. This is internet marketing for business people. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an internet marketing expert to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars in this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars into getting coaching programs or attend workshops, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Internet Marketing for Business People cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Internet Marketing for Business People mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Internet Marketing for Business People resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you are looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution at saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you become a complete expert at saving time, working faster, and building a digital empire around a busy work schedule. I'll see you on the inside.